Have you ever experienced an allergy or skin issue? What if I told you there's a plant that has been used for centuries to treat these problems? That's right. Today, we're diving into aloe vera, a powerful ally for not just your skin, but your overall health. Aloe vera, often referred to as the plant of immortality, is a succulent plant that thrives in tropical climates. It's commonly found in various parts of the United States and is well known for its soothing properties. Aloe vera boasts several remarkable health benefits. Skin issues. Aloe vera gel is widely used to treat various skin conditions, including sunburn, eczema, and insect bites. Its anti-inflammatory properties help soothe irritation and promote healing. Digestive health. Consuming aloe vera juice can aid digestion and alleviate symptoms of constipation. It's often added to smoothies and juices for an extra health boost. Immune support. Rich in antioxidants, aloe vera can enhance your immune system, helping your body fight off illnesses and infections. Using aloe vera is simple. You can apply the gel directly from the leaf to soothe skin irritations. Drink aloe vera juice. Make sure it's pure and without added sugars for digestive benefits. And you can add it to your skincare routine as a natural moisturizer. So there you have it. Aloe vera, a versatile plant with numerous health benefits. Have you used aloe vera before? Share your experiences in the comments below. Till next time, take care and embrace the healing power of nature.